Welcome to Day 7 of Soothing Pod's Beginner's Meditation Series. In today's practice, we'll introduce a repetition of words linked to breath to help us find calm and peace. This is called mantra meditation. As we've seen throughout this last week, meditation can take many shapes. Similar to focused attention, mantra meditation pairs the breath with a simple word, sound, or phrase that allows us to concentrate not only on the words themselves, but on their meaning. As we get familiar with the words, we're supporting positive change within ourselves. And though mantra can help foster a deeper state of meditation during formal practice, once we become familiar with the words, we can call on them anytime we need to, anywhere to find ourselves. So let's begin. Take a few moments to find a comfortable position. Sit up tall, relax your shoulders, and slowly close your eyes. Now, turn to your breath. Take a deep, long inhale and a slow, complete exhale. And do that again a few more times on your own breath. Now let your breath soften and settle back into its natural rhythm. Simply notice the ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales. And we'll begin to add a mantra now, timing it to the cycle of our breath. As you inhale, silently say to yourself, calm. As you exhale, silently say to yourself, peace. Inhaling calm, exhaling peace. And you can start to feel into the meaning of this mantra, breathing into calm and breathing out peace. And if your mind wanders, drop all sense of judgments or labels and gently turn your attention back to your breath and your mantra. Breathing in calm, breathing out peace. And now, slowly allow the words to dissolve, and for the next few moments, just observe your experience. Notice how you feel as you keep your breath flowing naturally. Now, gently begin to move your fingers and toes, and let your eyes softly open. I invite you to try this today wherever you are and whatever you're doing. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just pause and take a few conscious breaths. As you inhale, breathe in calm. As you exhale, breathe out peace. Take a moment to congratulate yourself. You've just completed your first week of meditation. We're glad to have you here at Soothing Pod, and we look forward to meditating with you again soon.